Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and practical guide on how to select multiple cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever wondered how to highlight a group of cells, maybe to format them all at once, copy and paste, or just organize your data more efficiently, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel comfortable making all sorts of selections, whether you need a simple block, separate cells, or whole rows and columns. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the basics. To select a cell in Google Sheets, just click the cell you want. It might sound simple, but it's the foundation for everything else we'll do. Picture it like placing your finger on a specific spot in a notebook before you start highlighting rows of data. Now, if you want to select more than just one cell, like say a block of numbers or text, here where it gets interesting. After you've clicked the first cell, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're still holding Shift, go ahead and click on the last cell you want to include in your selection. Google Sheets will automatically highlight everything in between your first and last cell. It's just like highlighting a whole paragraph in a Word document. You're drawing a rectangle from your starting spot to your ending spot, and Sheets takes care of selecting every cell in that range for you. This trick is super handy when you want to format or copy a big chunk of data fast. If you notice that you accidentally included an extra cell, don't worry, you can always click somewhere else and try again. It only takes a second. But what about when you don't want a solid block? Maybe you need to select cells that aren't next to each other, for instance, cells that all meet a certain criteria scattered across your sheet. Here, how you do that, instead of using Shift, you'll want to hold down the Control key or Command if you're on a Mac. While holding Control, simply click on each cell you want to add to your selection. You'll see each one gets highlighted as you go, and now you have full flexibility without being limited to just a rectangle. It's perfect for skipping over data you don't need or working with multiple categories at once. If you accidentally include the wrong cell, just click it again while holding Control to deselect it. Super forgiving. Take your time with this part. It can feel a little fiddly at first, but practice makes it second nature. Okay, let's say you want to go big and select an entire row or column. Maybe you want to highlight all the names in a column or an entire row of sales data. This couldn't be easier. Just move your cursor over to the edge of the sheet. You'll see the letters at the top for columns and the numbers down the left side for rows. Click on the letter if you want the whole column or the number for a whole row, and boom, the entire strip is highlighted instantly. This is especially useful if you want to apply formatting, like bold text or background color, across all your data. And that's it. With these techniques, you should be able to select just about anything you need in Google Sheets, and you'll find your workflow gets a whole lot smoother. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want more tips, just leave a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.